Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you approve followers on Pinterest. So let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. We open our store to make sure the Pinterest application is updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. Now let's quit from here and open Pinterest. As you can see guys, this is my profile and it is a private profile. Now, unfortunately, if I have a private profile on Pinterest, people cannot send me follow requests or even follow me. And let's test that out. So I go to my other account and try to follow my private account. I tap on follow, it says that I am following, but when I refresh the page, as you can see guys, the follow will disappear because you cannot follow someone who is private on Pinterest. Let's see how can we fix that. If you want someone to follow you when your account is private, you tap on the share button in the top, and then you use one of these ways to share your link with your friends where they can follow you and you can follow them back. Now from here, if you don't want to do that, you can tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to go to settings, and then here you tap on profile visibility. Then here you go ahead and turn these off to make your profile visible and basically public, and people like that will be able to follow you. As you can see guys, it shows that I have followed this account, which was private a minute ago. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching.